Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file, not this, but this part. And right off the bat, I don't know if it's the way I receive it or the way they sent it. It's not a good font for engraving. They were going to put this on a charcuterie board. I can't say that word. And there's some things wrong with this font. I mean, it's got thick outlines. Thick outlines. And it's non-readable. And if we left click, right click, and then left click fill, that's what it should look like. Maybe that's the way it looks on her computer. Mine just brought it in like that. But she evidently, and this will help very few people, she evidently inadvertently changed this something. Now she did spread out the letters, but if you watch what happens when you go to fit text to path, I've never seen this before. It doesn't follow the path. And she sent it to me like 2:30 in the morning. I got up to get a drink about 4:30, and I actually worked on it for a little while for her because she needed to cut them today or engrave them today. So if you look, this font is Georgia. I actually have it. I retyped it out, and I made it Georgia. And let's just see how this is. I'm going to make it 24 points. And I'm going to make this one 24 points. But you see the difference is that she spread it out. Now, I'm going to spread out mine also with the shape tool. And I'm going to go right to here. So that's the identical font. That might be a little bit thicker. But watch what happens when I text to. So I just told her to just retype it out. She did something to it. Text to path works perfectly on that one. But here's what I understand. That's one of the reasons I decided to make a video. Maybe somebody will chime in here. Both these have been stretched with a shape tool. But if we look down here in the menu where it says charcuterie, it's not stretched out. But if I go to hers, I've never seen that before, that it's stretched out. And even if we go to object, and let me think where I was going to. If I grab this and go break it apart, the word is stretched out up here, but it's not stretched here. But if I do it on her version, it's stretched out. I've never seen that before. So hopefully maybe somebody knows what's going on. I've never seen it. So if you ever have anything like that, there's either two things are wrong. Your circles, something's wrong with your ellipse, or something's wrong with your text. So we'll just take our text again and go text to path. I mean, look at that. When I first saw it, how is that possible? But it is. So if we do mine, I just retyped it, same, it says still her Corel page, text to path, and it works perfectly. And just for you who don't know, see that red line pop up? That means you're in the middle. And you could have that on any, I don't know why there are 3 rings. She's putting this on some board. But this text, maybe it's just the way I brought it in, but it's got way too thick outline. Maybe that's, I don't know, but that's her deal. But see, it's stretched out here. So this one's not going to work either. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.